Man, I tell you what, it'd be nice if it stayed damn cold, you know?
We're in trying. We're a long time thick as it is. Hey, bottom pieces out there. Daddy. Yeah. Can we get one of your sprayers and tonight we spray it and it'll freeze? Like in them little sprayers that you pump out?
Oh my God.
It's below freezing it. It's going, hell, it's supposed to be 24 degrees tonight.
Oh
my God.
It got all dark. What are they doing out there? I can't hear nothing out there.
I don't know. They're doing a... Wow, this is crazy. A whole freaking intersection.
You would have say something like that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would.
You shouldn't say like a little igloo like room.
It's cool as hell. Jesus. Oh my God. I think you need to make the hole a little bigger to...
They made it that boat. And then they made a tunnel.
Hey now.
This is so cool. What do you have, like a hole here?
Yeah. It gets real hot in here, so.
You're on the wrong side, dude.
The hell are you doing?
What are you doing? Who's throwing?
I ain't throwing nothing. I'm taking a damn video.
Oh, your video?
I'm throwing in, Gage. Don't throw nothing.
Dog, we need to make a door for this thing. It'd be so dark in here.
Is it really?
Nope.
Hold on, I'm trying to flatten everything out.
We got water drops in here, Ren.
Really?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Well, I only see one here, but... No, there's some more.
Quit throwing.
Yeah, it's starting to melt, Ren.
Hopefully it'll stay up. Quit! Oh my God. Come on, Jackie.
Come on, gotta make room, ass coming behind me.
There's room back here. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh! Daddy!
Yeah, it's gonna...
Your dad can finish.
Come on! You can get in here. It's not that big of a deal.
It's so big. That's what I'm saying. It's not sagging. That's sagging.
Just break it.
No. You see the whole thing liable to fall.
Hey, watch
Get
out.
out, Aaron.
I'm gonna pick.
We got to get you back up
I'm
there.
gonna put my back there and pick up while you pat, okay? You gotta stick it up high.
I told y'all not to put them on.
No, it was already dipping when y'all made it.
Not that bad.
I don't know that bad. It's been cracking. I was trying to fix it. For now, you're just pushing that little piece up.
Easy. Oh my God, it's easy. Hold on, I see.
Hi.
Hold on.
I'm stuck. It's too heavy. It's not moving. There we go.
Oh. Move it a little bit more.
Up.
Come on, get push. Hold on. Let me pack.
Hey, go get us some boards with a trash can lid on it.
Look at ease up on it.
Go far.
Ease up. Okay, ease down.
It's moving still. I can
Ease
feel
down.
it.
That's coming down. Y'all, yeah.
Quit throwing.
That's coming down. We're gonna have to redo this, friend.
We need
You still need to get out. It's coming down. Or like stay against that wall. If we run that wall.
Do
Go
what?
to the wall, Ren. Yo, I got this thing. Go to the wall.
No, you gotta go get us a trash can lid.
No, we'll just let it come down. We'll just fix it with snow here. We gotta do something, dude. That's
We don't want it to come all the way down, dude. That's
coming down.
what are you doing? Get out.
Get out. It's coming down.
You got it.
Jay, you gotta get out. Go.
It's
That's
gonna
really
fall.
Get out. Get out.
It's, yeah.
Get out. I just can't move. No, you're not going to be inside whenever you
It's gonna fall on top of you, little man. You gotta get out.
There's too many cracks. We'd have to redo it. We need to break it now so we can still have snow to fix it.
Yeah, that's coming down now.
We-
Sweetheart, you might want to move because it's gonna come down right on top of you.
Alright. Jake, get out, bud. Get out, Jake. Jake. Turn around. Turn around, Jake. You need to go that way. Go. We can't pack it down because we need to fix it. Get out. You see the steam coming out? Get out! Jake! Go! Jake, get out!
Oh.
Yeah, Jake.
Oh, it's wet, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
You need to get out.
No.
If we can make it last till dark 30, we'll be good.
Yeah, I got a video of it caving.
You gotta fix it. Hey, Daddy, get Jake. He's right in the way. Come on. He's right in the door. No, go that way, the other way.
Oh, and you're packing it.
I'm not packing all of it. I'm packing a piece of it.
Chicken elongation, Mom.
Jake, get up. We need to fix the snow. Colin.
How many people do we have?
Everybody but your dad.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna figure the hell out.
Well, when everyone came in, it was like dying.
Yeah, there's too much body heat.
There you go.
Stand over there so I can get this thing standing on and pack and go.
Why don't we just get an extra tarp? Yeah, but hey, Daddy, you have fun. Daddy,
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get